I'm Amale Bourhim and I'm the director of Rhodes Scholar French programs. I'm an art historian and, I think I found the perfect job. I was an official guide and I'm still an official guide. I don't guide as much, but, I add up all these places that I love, but as a French person, not like the touristic perspective, but really like as a French. What would I do? As if, participants were my family. Let me show you this area. So that's why I love this, because not only am I able to design the program, but also operate it and then get the feedback afterwards. It's just fantastic. And, to work for an organization that is all about culture and educational programs. And France, it's my country, and I'm so happy to show every corner of this country because it's so diverse, and I just want people to have the best experience when they come and visit France.